Hi guys, my name is Jamie and I'm here on the Disney Destiny. I just wanted to show you guys stateroom 8526. This is a Deluxe Oceanview Veranda. So come along. Hi guys, as I mentioned, we are touring a Deluxe Oceanview with Veranda on the Disney Destiny. My name is Jamie. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. And when you book with me, you get up to $1,000 in onboard credit. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to find all my contact information in the description below. So here is 8526, and it is turned down for nighttime. So you are going to see the whole bedtime setup. This stateroom is themed to Brave, and it has absolutely a gorgeous mural in the background. The room also has a large screen TV, and that is right kind of like aligned with the parents' bed right there. And then this stateroom sleeps up to 4. If you are needing a stateroom with a deluxe family Oceanview to sleep 5, make sure to contact me and I can help you find that one. But this is one that only sleeps 4. But look at this. This is above the upper berth. It looks like Hercules, which I'm kind of surprised to see Hercules in a Brave room, but I'm not mad about it. I like that. As I mentioned, it is turned down, but it does have a lovely veranda. Look at this. You are getting a large size veranda, which is so nice. Here is another view of the veranda, quite large. You have 2 seats and then a little table, which is really nice for having your morning coffee. And right below you is actually a deck that you can kind of walk around. It doesn't bump out enough that it obscures your view unless you're like really hanging over the side like me. It's quite nice. You have a great view right here. So here is another view of the upper and lower berth, and there's a vanity area. And now let's go look at the bathroom. So Disney Cruise, they have the split bathroom. So you have the shower in this side, plenty of space, and it's really lovely. And then over here is the commode, and you have another sink, which is nice. The nice thing about Disney Cruise is your stateroom attendants actually will come in the evening and turn it down while you're at dinner. During the day, you are going to have a nice couch. You won't have the upper berth down, but you'll have tons of space on the floor, and then you'll be ready for bed in the evening when your stateroom attendant comes in. And the stateroom attendants on Disney Cruise are just phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you are interested in booking your next Disney vacation, make sure to contact me. As I mentioned, I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I would absolutely love to help you. I also offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit. You can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.